We're going to be talking about the Woodmizer LT40. This Woodmizer LT40, I think this is a 1998 model, so it's pushing 20 years old. You can tell because most of the new machines have a diesel motor. This is an old school Onan motor, and it only has about 700 hours on it. I bought it used and had to re-sleeve one of the sides of the engine. They left it outside and the water got in and messed up one of the cylinders, so we had it cleaned out, re-sleeved. I repainted it, new blades, new reservoirs, new gas tank, new fuel line. Got it up and running, and had it in a warehouse, and I was making a lot of boards with it. Brought it over here, moved it, and now we're having a little bit of carburetor problems, but other than that, it's a great machine. This is the LT40 without the hydraulics. You can get them to where the hydraulics will pick up the log, put it on the deck, and then spin it. We don't really need that because we have skid steers to pick the logs up and set them on the deck, and then I just use cant hooks to spin it. It's a great machine. It's very portable, easy to set up, easy to use. Haven't really had any problems except that carburetor issue, and that's my fault for leaving it outside, not using it. If you don't use these, you need to drain all the gas out of them. If you use them, weekly, every couple days, they're fine. But if you let them sit for a few months, you're gonna have problems. It's nice to have these too when you have a tree service, because a lot of people throw their wood away, and we've been able to recycle a lot of wood, especially the cedar. We have a lot of cedar in this area, and people just take it to the dump. And I really like milling cedar because the wood is soft and you don't have to kill them dry or anything. Once you make boards, you can use them. This is a piece of cedar I cut, and I've pretty much used all the boards. We've got a couple more pieces of cedar that I'm going to use to make boards out of. But this is a great machine. I highly recommend it. Very easy to use, very user-friendly. Once you've cut a few boards on here, I can teach someone how to use it in probably like 20-30 minutes, and watch them for 8 hours, and after that they're on their own. So if you have somebody that likes to work with wood and needs a good portable mill, the LT40, Woodmizer LT40 is a really good machine for your money. Again, this is Roger with Roger Reviews. If you like this review, crush that like button and subscribe. We'll bring you more of these little reviews for you. Peace.